In this video, I'm going to cover some of the frequently asked questions about purchasing and licensing Video Kiosk. If you're using Video Kiosk for your business, for your service club or house of worship, or in any other situation where someone else will have access to the Android devices running Video Kiosk, we recommend you use a business email account to purchase Video Kiosk. If you use someone's personal email account to purchase the licenses and they leave your organization, the licenses go with their email account. Here's what I mean. Helen is the manager of Community Theatre, and she's installing digital signage in the lobby and the lounge, as well as where people line up to enter the theatre. She creates a Gmail account to use on the Android TV boxes when she buys Video Kiosk. She doesn't use her personal Gmail account because she's planning to move to Australia next year. On the other hand, Marty bought a tablet, which he uses to amuse his 2-year-old son when they're commuting. Because he won't be handing this project off to someone else, he uses his personal Google account on the tablet when he buys Video Kiosk from the Google Play Store. If you're installing multiple Android devices, we recommend you use the same email account to purchase all the licenses because it's easier for you to manage the licenses that way. And if you need to purchase additional licenses in the future, you can easily add more licenses to the same licensing account through our website. You can add multiple accounts to each device. You can use different accounts to purchase and to run Video Kiosk. For example, a larger company might use 2 different accounts because one department, the IT department, purchases the licenses, and the second, the marketing department, manages the devices and runs the digital signage. When it comes to getting the hardware that will run the digital signage, there are many choices, and some have limitations that you should be aware of. Some budget Android devices don't allow you to add accounts to the device, and some don't have the Google Play Store installed on them. Video Kiosk provides options for devices with these limitations, but these options do require more technical skills. If your Android devices don't have the Google Play Store installed, you can sideload the app onto your devices from our website instead, and if your Android devices won't allow you to add accounts to the device, you can use the license file licensing option to purchase Video Kiosk licenses. But before you do this, please consider what your time is worth. For example, Benjamin works for the IT department of a university that is installing kiosks throughout their 5 campuses. He has the technical skills to work with less expensive Android devices that don't have the Google Play Store installed, and given how many devices they've bought, the cost savings is quite substantial. When Courtney was looking for a digital signage app for her seminar business, she watched the Video Kiosk tutorials and then installed the demo project on her phone. To do this, she installed Video Kiosk from the Google Play Store. Then she installed a file manager and Google Drive so she could copy over the sample media files from her laptop to her phone using Video Kiosk's Cloud Update feature. She was thrilled to have her first digital signage project up and running in just a few minutes. So, when she got her first Android TV box and discovered that it didn't have the Play Store on it, she returned it and bought one that did. She recognized that for the difference in price, she'd much rather have the convenience of having the Play Store on her Android TV box, so she could once again have her Video Kiosk up and running in just a few minutes. Licenses purchased under the volume purchase plan are floating, allowing you to move them from device to device, provided that you deactivate the license from the current device first. When you deactivate a license, it returns the license to your pool of available licenses, and you can use it on another device. For example, if you're decommissioning one of your digital signage screens and replacing it with a newer screen, go to the Video Kiosk settings on the old screen and deactivate the Video Kiosk license before getting rid of the device. Then, when you install Video Kiosk on the new screen, you can reactivate the license on the new device. Video Kiosk stores all the configuration files and the content files on the Android device. The Android devices need to be connected to the internet when you activate or deactivate licenses, and also to use some of Video Kiosk's features. Otherwise, internet access is not required. If you need help with Android tasks like adding an account to an Android device, go to the Android Basics section of our website. If you have further questions about purchasing and licensing, just contact support. And if you're looking for step-by-step instructions for purchasing and licensing Video Kiosk, watch our video, Video Kiosk Purchasing and Licensing 1, Step by Step. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a comment.